The Google Pixel 3 XL. Not the smartphone you think it is. It's just not. We gotta be real with ourselves when a device comes along and there's all this attention drawn. All of these leaks poured out of the manufacturer, all over the streets, all over the world, all across the globe. All this information was being given to us, and we ate it up, and we chewed on it, and we spit it out, and we talked about it. We hashtagged, and we did everything Google wanted us to do. We have been being controlled by Google. Think of that for a minute. We have done everything Google has wanted us to do. We've talked, we've taken pictures, we've made videos, we've given them everything. And what have they given us? What has Google given us in return? The Pixel 3 XL is what's in my hand. The Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. The Google stand, whatever that is. It holds my phone and charges it. That's about it. And I'm thinking to myself, self has everything that we've gone through, this media frenzy, this leaks and everything, is this worth it? Is this worth everything we've gone through? I did my unboxing. I did my top 6 things you need to know, top features about the Pixel, because as a creator, as an educator, as someone who wants to share my information and my knowledge with you, if you guys are in the market for a smartphone, I want you to know what I feel the top features are. But I also want you to know, compared to the competition, compared to what I already have in my pocket, I don't think this phone measures up. It's almost as if Google has made a device that makes me think, why does Google hate me? This is what I'm wondering. Why does Google hate me? Does this phone stand up against the Galaxy Note 9? Does it stand up against the iPhone XS Plus? Or even the XS? Or even the XR? Oh my God! This is Google's top tier phone. Google makes Android. This is their answer. We know it's not a good one. From what we've been told, everybody's probably gonna be fired. It is what it is. But what is this phone good for? Can it stand up? Can it match up everything we've been through? Is it worth it? What does it do? Screen's okay. It's good, not great. There's reports that it feels soft on the back because of this kind of sanded, this lightly textured glass, frosted if you will. But then they're saying it scratches easy. So you either have to put a skin on it or you have to put a case on it. One or the other. Or you gotta wash your phone every week to get the scratches. But they're not scratches, but they are, but they're not. But with that stuff, you gotta get the marks off. You gotta wash your phone once a week to get the marks off, which means you gotta put it in a case. Now this case, I wish I did an unboxing and I brought you this case, because it's nice. You see, it's got the nice inside. It's got the little accented side. Phone's gotta stay in a case or you're gonna destroy it. There's not gonna be any resell to it. Nobody's gonna want it because they're gonna look at it and they're gonna say, that phone is all scratched up. So you gotta keep it in a case. Pictures that I'm downloading to my phone are nowhere to be found. You heard me. I can't find my pictures. I've downloaded them several times. Where are the pictures? I don't know! It's kind of strange. And I know where to look. I'm not new at this. Everyone has been talking about the notch. They've been talking about how ugly it is. And I've been quietly in the bleachers just watching the show, watching it go on. Literally the show, it was a show. And I'm watching, I'm like, I'm not gonna do a video. I'm gonna see how it is. I wanna look at it, I wanna play with it. I wanna have fun with this phone. I wanna enjoy it. I want Pixel and Google to succeed and to win my heart because I do like their products. I do enjoy what they bring to the market. But they screwed up this phone. It's not perfect. There are things to it that will carry this phone through into the end, like all devices. No device is perfect, but my iPhone XS Max, I'm digging it. I'm digging the ecosystem. I'm digging the fluidity of everything and how it's all going here and there. And, I'm enjoying the ecosystem for the first time in a long time. So what is this phone good for? Okay, Google, how big is the Pixel 3 XL's battery?
Here's what I found on the web.
According to Forbes.com, the Pixel 2 XL battery was 3,520 milliamps. The Pixel 3 XL's battery is 3,430 milliamps. So we got a smaller battery. The screen resolution. The screen on the Pixels are okay, it's not great. Other little things about this device that are just it's bugging me. I don't know what's bugging me more. These things or the fact that Google is getting away with delivering a medium level, a mid-range level product at a high-end price because they're building up this, everyone's charging more, this, that, and it's getting crazy. Prices are getting crazy. When is it gonna end? When is it gonna end? When are you gonna say it's over? You have to literally stop buying these smartphones. Am I gonna do it? No. But you have to. Not everybody can afford these crazy prices. But we keep perpetuating the cycle. We keep paying the prices. We keep doing it. And we shouldn't. There's been reports that photos that you're being taken with your amazing Google Pixel 3 camera are disappearing. What's the point of paying all this extra money for this smartphone where the number one feature about it is the camera? Maybe feature number 1 or 2, maybe number 1 is stock Android, but it's one of the top features is the camera. But you can't save, edit, or share the photos you're taking because they're disappearing. I smacked on my download button like 4, 5, 6 times. The picture was nowhere. I finally had to close it, reopen it, restart the phone, do it all over again, and then save it from a preview standpoint. I couldn't just save the file as it were, even though there's a save button. So it's a little weird. The battery, I'm not impressed with. The camera, I'm impressed with. The user interface, it's Android P, it's Apple, Apple, Pi, Apple. It's Apple. It's like they ripped off the whole user interface from Apple. You added in a little shortcut menu there, a little pause shortcut menu. That's about it. Other than that, you ripped off the operating system from Apple. For Google to do this and put it on their flagship phone, I'm thinking to myself, how lazy were you when you were creating this? I know, I'm party to the party. I had withheld back my criticism to Google because I was holding out. I was like, I don't marry for looks. I can get over the notch. I marry for love. And I love my Pixel 2 XL. So I was certain I was going to love my Pixel 3 XL. And I've been carrying it around. It's been in my pocket. I've been using it. And I'm here to report it is no longer my main phone. What I've come to love and enjoy about my iPhone XS Plus, I don't have in my Pixel 3 XL. So as a consumer, I've moved my line back over to my iPhone XS Plus. My Pixel 3 XL will remain in my pocket, will remain my secondary device. I will remain to use it for all social media as much as I can, and I will remain to test it and to bring you guys awesome reviews. But for all the reasons I just described, I will not keep the Pixel as my main phone right now. This may all change. It changed last year. This happened to me last year where I wasn't crazy about the Pixel. I actually bought it to return it. I don't normally do that, but I was going to do that. But then I started using it and I had the really cute panda and I thought it was really nice and I love that phone. But this isn't that phone. It's not. It's not that phone. Sorry. Where do we leave things? We've got an operating system ripped off from Apple. We've got a smaller battery. We've got an okay screen. We have, it's not a laggy phone, but it's not a quick phone. And then to go back to a rear fingerprint reader is not that quick. It's a disappointment. It's like a step back. This is 4-year-old technology that I'm still using on my new phone today. They didn't bring any new technology in the Pixel 3 XL. Nothing new. They brought call screening, okay, software. They brought me software. They didn't bring me hardware. They brought me software. And I think this is what I'm mad about. I'm mad about the hardware in this phone. Because you can have amazing software, but the software is limited by the hardware. The scratches on this is a flaw. It's an issue. You can't fix it with a software update. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for listening to me throw up on you about what I don't like about the Pixel 3 XL at the very moment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you actually want to get notified when the videos come out. And we are doing a giveaway. That's right. For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway. We got one coming up on December 15th. So you can get all your entries up until December 14th. Link is in the description below. Go in your drawers, go in your closets, go under your bed, go in your car, go in your trunk, and pull out your old electronics that you're no longer using. Dust them off, shine them up, send them to someone, put a smile on someone's face. For the love of tech, namaste.